A while back, I did a video on the Delphi murders. There has been an update in the case. On Friday, Richard Allen was sentenced to 130 years in prison, 65 for each girl. Everything is alleged, fair use, and trigger warning.
The jury found Allen guilty on all the charges in the double homicide. And just to run down the case, this was the case that gripped the nation, right? True crime case. It's been all over podcasts, Netflix, that sort of thing. Abby and Libby, they were walking along a Delphi hiking trail when they were attacked in February of 2017. I know, horrific. Their throats slit, their bodies dumped in the nearby woods. Moments before the murders, Libby posted a photo of Abby on Snapchat, showing her on a bridge. That was central to this case. They talked about that in the trial. Prosecutors say after crossing that bridge, the girls saw a man behind them who then became well known as that bridge guy. And Libby started a recording on her phone. The prosecution's key physical evidence was that .40 cal unspent round undiscovered on the girls' bodies. Another major focus on this trial, Phil, was Allen's multiple confessions, his jailhouse confessions, and then also his mental health records as well. The defense had argued that he was manic, that he was in some sort of psychotic state when he confessed numerous times to prison guards, to corrections officers, his wife, his own psychologist. And so that is where we are with this particular case.
Everything you just described as you lay it out is so horrific. And as parents or loved ones of these two young girls, it's got to be so difficult. Have we heard from the families since the sentencing?
You know, and I think it's even more difficult because a gag order prevented the families of Abby and Libby from even commenting during or after Allen's trials. We know the families, law enforcement, prosecutors are expected to speak out and address the public at a post-sentencing news conference later today, but we're certainly keeping an eye on that. But just imagine how agonizing this must have been, not only for them to have to hold their silence, you know, for these 4 weeks, but then also face their daughter's killers in court.
And people will tell you there's never really any closure, but at least they have a resolution here.
I hate when people say closure because I don't ever think you honestly get closure. I just feel like it's the end of a chapter in a book. Unapologetically, Mieka, out.